task screen in Writer's Toolbox allows you to manage all your task functions, from task creation to checking student submissions to marking. From the main screen, Active Tasks shows the tasks that are presently open for use by your students. These are tasks still within their due date that you have sent to classes. Archived is tasks that are past their due date and now stored for easy retrieval or further use at a later date. Drafts is any task you have made that does not have a due date and class specified. This is a handy storage repository if you want to build tasks for classes and send them at some future time. Shared with Me are tasks that other teachers in your school, or indeed the Writer's Toolbox community, have shared with you. It's where these tasks arrive, and you can edit them and make them your own. Each of these screens can be managed through the menu options, with powerful search functionality that allows rapid retrieval of any task. Clicking on any task gives you full access to all information about that task and individual task management. You can see the task details, share with other teachers, send to additional classes, or review student submissions and start the marking process. Finally, using the three-dot menu, you can duplicate any task, allowing you to rapidly build additional tasks based on your favorite combinations. At any stage, you can return to the main dashboard or back to the active task screen.